Alright, you guys, another victory for the Niners. Niners stand up. We in here. This is the early morning. Customers ain't in here. I mean, Memo's over there, but he's not doing nothing but eating. But yeah, we're about to get our day started, and hopefully some new clients come in today. How about that? Trying to create a transition here. Hopefully the transition will come in sooner than later. Listen, guys, it's so hard to say goodbye, but Nico is actually cutting all his hair off. His former waiver, ladies and gentlemen, former waiver. He's been growing his hair out, so.
Yeah, so it has to be 1.5 inches in length, I think.
1.5 inches? All right, YouTube, waiver in the building. Waiver is in the building. I ain't did one of these in a minute. Matter of fact, let's get close. Let's get close up on it real quick. Waiver is in the building. High taper. Can I get a focus? Wow. All right, focus ready. Focus ready. Waves is pretty nice. He's about to change his life with a high taper, and yeah. Hey, with that cut, all I gotta say is waivers know what waivers want, okay? Especially if you're a real waiver, okay? I'm throwing shots. Subliminals, you can take it how you want it, okay? Waivers know how to cut another waiver. Listen, I'm not trying to cause controversy or nothing, but it's just real, you know what I mean? A waiver can only know how to cut a waiver, okay? If you're a barber and you're a waiver, you know the deep depth of, you know, what a waiver wants. And I'm just saying, if you got dreads or something, you know, you got, you know, something that ain't waves, you just don't know the heart of a man that got waves. You know what I mean? You don't know the heart, the depth, what we gotta do outside of just getting our hair cut. You just don't know. You just don't understand. And that's cool. That's cool. I'm just saying. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's like Jarrell here. It's like Jarrell. Jarrell, let me see here. Let me take off this hat real quick. It's like Jarrell. He doesn't really know like the heart of a waiver, you know? He doesn't have waves. He doesn't have waves, you know? So he really don't know like what we really truly want, you know?
This is coming from the guy that be wanting me to cut his hair.
No. He's got a point.
Are you gonna listen to him? You gonna listen to him. Just because he got waves doesn't mean he can only cut waves good, you know? He's not the only person that's good at cutting waves.
I think he's got the point.
That was a valid point.
This
but
is with the grain right here. Talk to him. This is how you get waves.
Listen, some of you guys out there are probably talking about, Jeezy, you taking shots? We taking shots now, Jeezy? Why would you do that to me? Oh, it was a simple joke. You didn't have to beat me up. Ah!
HustleDreamProduction.
All right, you guys, we got Isaiah in the building. I just finished cutting his hair. All right, I just finished cutting his hair. His hair's already cut. Y'all ain't gonna see it, but I'm just saying though. I'm just saying though. This tip right here. All right, who barber do you know? Do this. Listen, don't listen. Listen, don't.
Don't put it out there.
Listen.
You know what you're doing.
Listen. This is my thing. This is my thing right there. This is my thing right now. Listen, you guys. As a waiver, only waivers know this though. If your barber don't twist your crown, come on now. If your barber don't twist your crown and brush your crown correctly, what are you doing? You're not really. Only waivers know these type of things, man. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. But yeah, you guys, the day is over. Okay, day is over. I'm basically done cutting hair today. And yeah, I want to leave you guys with this. Listen, to all my real waivers out there. Wait a minute. All right, to all my, get out the way. Get out the way. Okay. That works. Okay. All right, we're good. We good? Okay, you're good. Okay, we're good. All right, we're good. We still got that light in the corner right there. But still, we're good, okay? Listen, to all my real supporters out there, the day ones, the Jeezy's fans, or the supporters, man. I ain't calling nobody fans or nothing like that, but all the ones that's been there from the jump, that still be watching me to this day, that just love me to death. You know what I mean? That just really got my back. Hey, I appreciate y'all. This is coming from the heart right now. And if y'all do, slap a like on this video right now. So please, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button too, because there's more to come. I ain't gonna stop. The grind continues, baby. When I wake up in the morning, I'm excited about cutting hair. I don't know about y'all. I don't know how many too many barbers feel this way. But your boy, when it comes to my feelings and the way I feel about things, I love what I do. I don't care what you got going on. But I loves what I do. Okay? Y'all got my collar getting all messed up, getting me emotional and stuff. Let me do my Denzel real quick. Let me gather up tears. Let me gather up some tears real quick. Let me gather up some tears. Wait a minute. I just poked my eye. It's your boy 360 Jeezy though. I appreciate you guys. I'm out.